Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important: building your personal credit. Whether you're starting from scratch or rebuilding, having good personal credit is crucial for accessing funding and improving your financial health. So, let's dive into some fantastic companies that can help you on this journey. Credit Strong offers a variety of credit builder accounts that help you build credit by making regular payments. It's a great way to establish a solid payment history. Next, Self. This company allows you to build credit while saving money. You open a credit builder account and make monthly payments, which are reported to the credit bureaus. Grow Credit helps you build credit by letting you pay for your subscriptions like Netflix and Spotify with a Grow Credit virtual card. It's a smart way to turn everyday expenses into a credit building opportunity. Then there's Kikoff. They provide a line of credit that helps you build your credit score by making purchases and paying them off over time. It's a simple and effective way to improve your credit. Kovo is another great option. They report your monthly payments to the major credit bureaus, helping you build credit with every payment you make. Finally, we have OpenSky. They offer a secured credit card that reports to all three major credit bureaus. This is an excellent tool for building or rebuilding your credit. Now, here's a crucial tip to maximize your credit score increase. Keep your credit utilization below 10%. This means not using more than 10% of your available credit limit. For instance, on a secured credit card, do not add more than $200, as higher amounts have the same effect. So, there you have it, some fantastic companies and tips to help you build your personal credit. Remember, building credit takes time and discipline, but with the right tools and strategies, you'll be on your way to financial health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.